Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, TP. What it do, boo boo? Today I wanted to do this like orange and purple look. I got the inspiration from Jaclyn Hill's palette. Y'all seen the promotions for it. So what I went in with, that first shade is called Not My Journey. I went in with like a elf, it's called a blending eye brush. I don't know if this was the right brush to use, but I used it because it helped me pack the color on, right? So it's this deep purple, beautiful color. Not My Journey, I believe I already said that. And I'm just packing the shape on the outer edges of my eyes that I want it to have. Now I'm going in with the shade Therapy Sesh. I'm using my Morphe M456 to blend out those edges of the Not My Journey color. So throughout this video, I am going back and forth with the, with each color to blend them together, because that's really the secret to blending, is keep doing it all day, all over and over. So you'll see, I'm back and forth. This brush, that brush, this one, that one. I'm not too worried about the dark purple going everywhere because I am going to be cutting my crease. So I just wanted to make sure it was nice and, an even gradient. Okay, I'm going to take my P. Louise base and I'm going to cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I like to use my Morphe M124 brush. So now I am going to pack on the shade Positivity with my Morphe M421 brush. I apologize for all the little brush sounds popping and clanging around. It's because I don't know the numbers and the names of the AK-47s and the 227s. So I got them in front of me. And this is the shade I'm in it. And we're going in with a M124 brush. And we're just going to be patting and blending. Then we're going to take the other brushes and blend them all together. I was here for a while blending, but I mean, it turned out cute, so it was worth it. That same brush I used to cut my crease, whatever product I have left over it, I'm going on my lower lid. So then that way when I apply the shadows, they stick better and they last longer. So when I started my lower lid makeup, I was going in with the M408 brush, but that brush was kind of thick. So I switched it up with the Jaclyn Hill JH43 brush, and that one did the trick. So Therapy Sesh is a shade I use to blend out even further below that the purple and orange shade. And I just use my Morphe M506 brush, and this helped me blend out so well. It's perfect size. It was so soft. Like usually when I use brushes under my eyes, it irritates them because they're kind of scratchy. So there's that. Put on some mascara, and then I did put on a little bit of eyeliner, but I didn't put a wing. But for some reason, I don't have the footage of that. Somebody must have been doing something. So I'm just gonna line it just to, I think, hide my lash band, and then we're gonna apply our false lashes, and basically we're done. Does anybody else like to watch people apply lashes? Because for me, it's just like, ugh. It's so good. So I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lash line, and then I'm also going to tight line my lower lash lines with this black pencil, and we're set, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did. I appreciate your watch, likes, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, girl, so we can be friends. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that stuff. Everything is down in the description box. Make sure you hit the bell so you can come back and be notified when I post another video. I love y'all. Thanks so much once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.